Hi, Colin here, ecologist for EcoIslands. Welcome to RidgeView Animal Sanctuary in Duncansville, Pennsylvania. The owners decided that to get the most out of their natural pool's volume, biodiversity, and agricultural utility, they needed a boxed wetland, the PermaCycler. When attached to the grid or off-grid solar, the PermaCycler pumps water through its patented self-organizing wetland reactors. Biofilm, which is responsible for the vast majority of natural cycling, thrives and fills the PermaCycler so that it has many times the water cleaning capability of open ponds or other constructed wetlands. The more biofilm in the same volume means much smaller size for the same treatment. Our near 10 years of research and work to mining companies has yielded the world's highest pollutant removal rates for a semi-passive, gravity flow wetland. Low pH iron oxide and manganese oxides are our contributions to the science of bioremediation. But for the animal sanctuary, we're only dealing with roof runoff, suspended solids in the water, and algae. All are impacts easily handled by their PermaCycler. In addition to clarifying water by filtering algae, the PermaCyclers can be used to reverse siltation in a pond that is slowly filling in with natural litter and clays. The pond can now be returned to its original depth without draining and wiping out the established wildlife. Captured silt and nutrients, organic so long as you don't use pesticides, are nutrient and carbon rich and full of beneficial fungi and bacteria. This natural compost tea can be added to crops where it breaks down slowly and promotes soil biodiversity. For more remediation news and info, please visit EcoIslandsLLC.com. Thanks, and here's to cleaning water with boxed wetlands. Colin, signing off.